Hey dudes and dudette, for that one girl watching my Honda Passport video. Hope everybody's having a fantastic Saturday. A little smoky in Montana today, a little hazy. So I kind of got my number one gripe fixed with the old Passport. I was having a pretty big problem with the braking mitigation, and I was always just driving with it off. So every time I'd get in, I'd have to turn it off. So sorry about that little jig break. Anyhow, took it to the dealership. You probably saw a couple of my vids. Was checking out cars there for a couple hours. I really like that Honda Accord with the 2-liter. They also had a Passport in obsidian blue with the gray interior. That thing was sick. So nice. Like, super nice. It was also elite. So, took it into the dealership. The dude's like, "Oh, that's just your lane departure." And I'm like, no. Explained the difference a little bit to him, and then we went on a drive. I picked out a nice road where I knew it would screw up. Basically, on like a 2-lane highway, you had to be doing over 45. I don't know if that's where the braking mitigation kicks in or what, but picked out a 2-lane highway, and sure enough, got it to shake the wheel and say brake, brake, brake a handful of times, and he's like, yeah, that's bad. So he brought it back, said it's gonna be a couple hours, and he realigned the cameras and the sensors. So you can see there's the camera up there on the windshield. Some more sensors in there somewhere. And I am pleased to announce, so far so good. It's working good. I can leave that braking mitigation on now, and it gives me no problems, which is awesome. Because I'd get a little light on the dash, a little amber light, and it was just annoying. So that's one of the little kinks that I got fixed. The other one is right here. Not sure if this hitch is, I don't know, suitable. I should say the receiver. I like it just because it gives me a little extra protection in case somebody parks too close, or I get rear-ended, or I hit something backing up, which are all totally possible. So I did have the kickstep, the hands-free kickstep on here since it's the elite model. I basically just took it out because I didn't want to pay the extra $120, $150 for the relocate. So Honda wanted $2,000 to do all the towing modifications, basically the hitch, the harness, and the cooler. And I got $280 in it just for the hitch. They wanted $1,000 just for the hitch. So I'm in at $280, and it does 90% of what I need. I did make a couple videos on the hitch install. Also made a couple while I was waiting for this to get fixed at the Honda dealership. I think I said that already. So, let me know if you like the Hitch. They do make an aftermarket Kurt hitch that can go below that valence. Talked a little bit about that. Overall, I'm really liking the Passport. It's an awesome vehicle. Getting pretty good gas mileage still, about 25. They discoded my battery while they worked on it, so it reset my gas trip meters, so they're not accurate right now, but it won't take long. The next video is probably gonna be on the Silverado. I've got the 2019 Chevy Silverado RST Z71 four-wheel drive in satin steel. But I thought I'd do a little update on this. It's got 6,300, maybe 6,300 miles, something like that. We'll take a look. Lots of room in this thing. $63.63. Sweet. The trip meter screwed up, but before it said like 25, 26. I used to have to drive with this off if you hold it for 5 seconds, so you'd always have that light there. But now, I'm happy to report I can leave it on. Anyways, just a quick update on the Passport. Hopefully everybody's having an awesome Saturday, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Peace.